In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Klarna payments on Shopify. If you want customers to have more payment options at checkout, adding Klarna is a great choice. Klarna can make it easier for shoppers to complete purchases by offering flexible ways to pay, depending on eligibility and settings in your account. In this tutorial, we will go through the exact Shopify steps to add Klarna as a payment provider. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your store settings. Once you are in the admin area, look for the word Settings in the left side menu or in the navigation area. Click Settings to open the configuration panel. This is where Shopify groups all the options that affect how your store runs, including payments. After you click Settings, you will see a list of categories. The next thing to do is find and click Payments. This section controls what payment methods you offer and how they are set up. Take a moment to confirm you are in the Payments area because you want to make changes specifically related to checkout and payment processing. Clicking Payments will bring up the Payment Settings page, where Shopify shows the current payment methods and options. Now that you are in Payments, scroll or look for the section called Additional Payment Methods. This area is intended for payment providers that you add on top of your existing setup. It is separate from the default payment options, so it is the right place for adding Klarna. Under Additional Payment Methods, you will see an option that says Add Provider. Click Add Provider to start the process of searching for and connecting a new payment provider. Next, you will be prompted to search for a specific provider. In the search field, type Klarna. Shopify should then show Klarna in the results. This step matters because selecting the correct provider ensures that you are connecting Klarna properly and that the correct integration is used for your store. When Klarna appears, select it from the results so Shopify knows which provider you want to add. After you select Klarna, you will need to complete the setup. This part can include connecting your Klarna account details and confirming the information required by Shopify. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and make sure everything you enter is accurate. If there are options to confirm or allow access, review them as they appear, then continue. The goal is to finish the provider connection so that Klarna becomes available during checkout. During the setup, it can be helpful to pay attention to any confirmation messages or steps that indicate success. Sometimes the interface will show that the provider has been connected, or it may ask you to verify settings before saving. If you are asked to confirm, proceed with the final confirmation in the way the screen describes. Once the setup is complete, you should be able to see Klarna listed as an available payment method in your payment settings. To finish, return your attention to the Payments page and check that Klarna is now enabled or properly connected under Additional Payment Methods. If the page includes a status, use it to confirm everything is ready. At this point, your store should be set up to offer Klarna at checkout for eligible orders, based on Klarna's rules and your configuration. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.